What's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Karen refuses to leave hotel room, ends up facing felony charges. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
You've got one more chance to just shut up and do it.
No, don't tell me to shut up. But if I was a sex offender, I'm sure I would be able to stay, right? Oh, but when I was getting you guys didn't do nothing. You guys really up this time.
I've heard enough from you.
Please! I gotta go home with my kids.
On May 6th, 2024, officers responded to a hotel following a report of a woman not leaving her room after her checkout time.
Cleo, this is Sergeant Trochik, Turtle Lake PD. You've got one opportunity to open the door without going to jail. Otherwise, if I need to get in there, you're gonna go to jail, just so you know. You're able to get in if it's deadbolted?
Also can switch the lock. It's one of those ones where the thing goes over the thing. I don't know what they're called.
So she's supposed to be out by 11, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you have no problem with me going into the room if she won't let me in?
No, we prefer it not get knocked out of it.
Well, I don't want to either. I'm just saying, if it comes to that. Cleo, Turtle Lake PD, open the door. Do I have someone check and see if the shades are open on the window?
I can go do it.
Okay, I'll wait here.
The key?
I'll wait for you. Cleo, Turtle Lake PD, open the door. If I have to come in, you're going to jail. Cleo, Turtle Lake PD, open the door. Open or closed?
Closed. Both steps.
Okay. I haven't had any response.
I'm almost worried about it.
Cleo, Turtle Lake PD, open the door. This is your last chance before we open it. Heather? I haven't heard anything from the room.
Is there any noise in here?
Nothing.
No. Is it deadbolted?
I'm not sure yet. You want to go ahead and open it? Cleo, Turtle Lake PD, can you hear me?
Do you think with a screwdriver? I'm going to try to get my fingers in.
Yeah, I'll hold it this way so you know. Yeah, if you got like a long screwdriver or something.
Try my darkness.
Cleo, can you hear me? Turtle Lake PD.
Hang on.
I'm wondering if she's not passed out or something in there. Not sure. She was acting pretty goofy last night. Mackenzie dealt with her, but.
The hard looking thing to go with my squat. I have this one. I can see if there's a longer one or the other.
Too thick, huh? I wonder if my thingamajig for unlock. Cleo, open the door. Turtle Lake PD, open the door. Well, you're not opening the door. She's opening it. Cleo, open the door.
Please, I just woke up.
I've been pounding on the door for 5 minutes.
You're...
Open the door or I'm going to open it.
I'll walk with it.
Always wondered that. What if an emergency was going on and you got it deadbolted like that, like with the sliding ball or whatever? Like the staff can't get in the hotel, like can't get into the room, or is you have to wait until the fire department or something? Because that's interesting.
Oh my God.
What time is it?
I just woke up.
11:51.
He just put me in here at 3 o'clock.
Can I come in?
Yes. Oh my God. I just woke up.
Okay, well, you must be a deep sleeper because, like I
Well,
said,
yeah,
I've been
I'm
pounding on the door.
medication. I'm on medication. You know, I'm a
Okay.
freaking assault victim, and you guys knocking on the door like I'm hurting somebody is really getting sick.
Okay, well, you're trespassing at this
Oh,
point.
bullshit.
So you need to gather
I'll
your
call.
stuff.
I'm going to call.
Hey,
I'm not
gather
even-
your stuff
I'm-
up
no, I'm
and
calling.
leave.
I'm calling.
Who are you going to call?
Well, he told me to call him back.
Who's he?
Can you hold on? The chaplain put me here. I'm from Ashland, Wisconsin.
Okay,
I'm a
well, I'm telling you right
sexualist. Hold
now.
on.
No, you're not going to tell me to hold on.
What?
You are 51 minutes past checkout
Oh,
time.
bullshit.
I don't want to hear any other words.
Bullshit.
Gather your stuff.
She said checkout was 12 o'clock.
Gather your stuff.
12 o'clock.
And it's time to head out.
12 o'clock is checkout. Don't yell at me.
Gather your stuff and head out, or you're just going to go to jail.
I'm not even from here. You guys in your stupid fucking Facebook. You know Facebook ain't fucking real. Can you get out? So
No, I
can
cannot get out.
Yeah.
You're getting
You no
out.
longer have any rights to this room.
He said 12 o'clock.
Okay, continue, and you're going to go in handcuffs. You've got one more chance to just shut up and do it.
No, don't tell me to shut up.
Gather your
You
stuff.
know what? And you guys in your fucking stupid thing, I'm not a meth addict. You guys can fucking come kick me out here, but you guys can't tell or stop these people from harassing me. So I wind up dead in your street. Dixon on the street. Tell Kathy I said hi.
Don't know who that is.
Oh, bullshit, that's your relative. Bullshit. That is exactly what you guys did to me when I was younger.
You're not making any progress here.
Oh, bullshit, shut up. I was good till fucking 12 o'clock. Just like they did the other time. You guys took my fucking real fucking room, and then you guys are gonna stay here. Watch. That chaplain said I had till fucking... I had until 12 o'clock. Check those 12.
Well, the chaplain doesn't know
Bullshit.
no
He said 12 o'clock, and he even says it on the
Gather
fucking
your clothes.
Shut up. Get out of my way. Only time you guys get to act like cops. Facebook doesn't even act like cops either. And you're right.
Anything illegal in your belongings?
No.
Can I
never
search?
fucking mind. No, you're trying to grab my phone.
Okay, grab your stuff.
Yeah, you guys are the same people.
Grab your stuff.
And this ain't an investigation. They don't do the same money as a PAP.
I like that though. That was slick. That was slick by the officer. Got anything illegal? You mind if I check? No. No, you cannot check. He tried it though. It was a nice try.
Or something. This is exactly what other people said. You guys only do this to natives around here?
No, I do it to people that
bullshit.
overstay
I'm
their
not
welcome.
even from here.
Okay. You're able to leave here
It
without
says
having
12
anything
o'clock.
happen to you.
You show me the thing.
If you continue to
Oh,
yell,
you. If anything happens
you're gonna
to
go
me.
to jail. You're on
fuck.
probation. You've got
No, I'm
open
not.
cases.
No, no.
Grab your backpack.
Bullshit. You.
Pick up your backpack.
You. I ain't even going to jail for open cases. I'm not even on probation. They can't give you fake cases. You and your fucking whack ass family all try and act like cops and shit. Get me stranded down here on a fake warrant. Right? Stole my fucking car. That's exactly why. But if I was a sex offender, I'm sure I would be able to stay, right? Oh, but when I was getting you guys didn't do nothing.
She do got a point. She do got a point. You know, as offenders, they don't get no time, man. No time at all. The judge don't sentence them to nothing. Maybe 6 months, 2 years, something like that, man. That's why, you know, they have their own, they get their own justice within the system, if you know what I mean. You got to be able to put two and two together and be behind the wall to understand what I'm talking about.
Well, you ever hear F-A-C-E, F-A-T-E? Now that shit's real. Now you guys look stupid as f***. But it says 12 o'clock, it's check out. That's why you guys can knock on my door until then. What the hell do you guys all want? Get out.
We want you out.
No, shut the f*** up.
Baby,
Because
not
he's
telling us
yelling
what
at
we're
me
doing.
because I fucking overslept. I just got here at 4 o'clock.
Being pretty patient
Oh,
with you.
shut up.
Get the rest of your
Oh, shut the
stuff
f*** up.
and get out. If I have to deal with you again,
Oh, shut the f***
going
up.
to jail.
You can't bring me to jail. They don't bring people to jail on f***ing fake warrants.
okay.
I ain't on probation either.
Gather up your last few
Oh,
things.
shut up. Right, you guys really up this time. Oh, Kathy and her family trying to act like cops. Right? That's exactly what you guys did to me when I was 16. Same thing.
Quiet on your way out.
Oh,
No
shut
yelling.
up. Oh, this is the one that couldn't train to be a cop. Right. What else is going on? You guys never pay for another day. Right? They pay for another day. You know that tries to kick you out all the time? No, that's real.
This way.
Get away from me.
Enough. One more word and you're going to jail. You understand? You're not taking water. You're not taking coffee. Get out.
Because I don't have no money.
Get out of this hotel now.
No, leave me alone. Right, clear, you're right. Because they paid for another room. Right? They paid for another night. That's what you guys said this morning. All of a sudden they're going to
Pick up your coffee and get out of the room.
don't yell at me. You charge me then. What? It's okay for him to yell at me? Oh, they don't do all that to get you out of a hotel.
Enough. Get out.
Shut up. Fucking. Oh, Mr. Wannabe police officer, right? This is real, mother. How many sheriff's departments? Check out what's that?
Pick up your stuff and leave.
Get out of here. They can steal my car, and you guys don't gotta arrest them?
One more swear word and you're out of here.
I didn't even say any swear word. You don't know what a swear word is?
Okay, put your hands behind your back.
No,
I've heard enough from you.
please!
Stand up.
Please! No!
How many chances do you need?
I just went to sleep at 4
You gotta put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Please! I'll leave. I gotta go home with my kids. Please! I'm sorry!
Now it's I'll leave. I gotta go home to my kid. I'm sorry. Oh man, we've been watching this boring ass video for freaking almost 10 minutes now. Come on, man. Now you want to leave? It's too late.
Please stop! I just want to go home!
2154 11
I just want to go home! I don't have probation.
Oh, I got a home for you now.
Please, I just want to go home! I didn't even swear!
632
Got a home for you now.
95.
I just want
Lean up against there.
Crazy. That got crazy, boy.
Wrists around. No. There's no more asking, please. It's over.
Check out, was at 12. It's at 12, please. It's at 12. She said it was at 12, please. Please, I want to go home. I'll go home. Don't touch me like that. Please. You just walked down in my face. Please. Please, I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay.
I just woke up.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please, I can call that chaplain. He called for another day. Oh, they don't do that. They don't do that. Check out, it's at 12. It's at 12. Please check before you guys arrest me. It says 12.
It's not about that right now.
I don't.
It's about you not shutting your mouth.
I didn't say nothing. I literally can't even talk. Please. Please, I have to go.
You're not going anywhere right now other than with
Please.
him.
Otherwise, I'm
Good.
charging
Yep,
her.
we're good. All right, walk to my truck here.
Otherwise, I'm charging her. Sorry. I didn't even press charges on that car. Please, otherwise I'm charging
Lean
her.
up against the front of my truck.
I didn't. That's what it's at 12.
He was very patient with you.
You're right. Please.
Baby, how many chances did you just leave here on your own?
I'm deaf in one
No,
ear.
you can hear us.
No, I'm deaf in one ear.
Stop screaming at us.
Please, that's why I was raising my voice. I'm deaf in one ear, and Chico was at 12. I just got here, please, at 4 o'clock.
All right, we'll go to the other side.
Please. Please let me go. They told me I could go to the shelter.
Damn, she ain't brush her teeth or nothing. God damn, how you think that's... I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this one. On one hand, I feel like on one hand, she was taking her sweet time, but she was making progress. And you could tell she ain't all the way right upstairs. So I don't know. I don't necessarily know how I feel about this one. I don't know if I was the cop, if I would have arrested her. I don't know. But on the other hand, it's like she wasn't moving, you know? I don't know. I feel like they just didn't like the way that she was talking. And I mean, yeah, is it disorderly conduct? Yeah, because she's yelling, but you can say what what she want, and they actually made it outside. So it was like she was making progress. But then again, you can't just wait all day. We ain't got all day to just be waiting on you. So I don't know. It's like 50-50.
Otherwise, they're done now.
I'm up.
Listen. Why would you do that to me? I can't even.
You did it to yourself.
I can't even hear.
I got only enough patience with people.
They don't do this.
Who's they?
Please. Can you just let me go into that shelter?
No.
Now you won't come.
I'm a freaking assault victim from Ashland. The guy. Otherwise, they can't do it. They don't act like officers. You guys are only jailers.
Yeah, that's why we don't know what happened out there.
Stop. They didn't even call the cops on me. I'm not supposed to be around you, Kathy. Kathy Johnson. How come you guys were in jail last night? Right? They can't arrest me. This is not how this goes. They do this in Minnesota. This is Wisconsin. I didn't do anything. They were arrested. Stop! Stop! You can't.
Settle down.
Stop! You can't arrest me. No, they can't.
We're not arresting you.
Bullshit. I'm not on probation and I didn't resist arrest.
That's okay.
Check out was that. No! Check out was that one.
Hey, you stop.
You guys don't even know. You guys do this wrong every time.
Hey.
No, Barry County, I can't. No.
Because that's not going to help your case.
You're not going
if
to.
you don't.
I don't have a case.
It's not, okay.
They're
It's
building
not
one
gonna
on
help
you.
your situation.
No, they're building one on the people around here.
You're not gonna-
Can you stop? I got
Were you pregnant at all?
my shoulder. You can't do
Are you
that.
pregnant resisting?
Can you stop?
Stop. Are you?
You know I broke my shoulder. What'd you do that for?
Well, we don't want to hurt you. That's the last.
You can't arrest me. You know.
Okay, we're gonna head in.
Department of Corrections gonna actually see these cameras.
Yep, right.
Can you please stop?
So we don't.
I'm not supposed to get arrested.
You don't want the judge to see you.
Oh, shut up! Because you keep putting the same footage over and over.
Okay.
The judge didn't want to see you, Cleo. You're not on probation. Resisting arrest. Your daughter resisting arrest. Your daughter is 30 years old. Right. 48.
So we're gonna get you changed.
No, I'm not supposed to get arrested. You did the same thing to me when I was 14.
The woman was charged with bail jumping, disorderly conduct, and resisting or obstructing an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.